Okay, so this video is going to be my attempt to show you how Becca bird will stop at nothing to get to her mother bird. Right now it is after work. I snuck in downstairs into my room and she knows I am home and she's up there hollering right now in her day cage. And eventually she'll get tired of waiting for me to come and get her. So she will start to work her way down the stairs and start hollering and continue to do so until I come and pick her up. So if you listen carefully, actually not even carefully, you can hear Becca bird throwing herself a little temper tantrum upstairs. So I'm going to go ahead, ignore her, go back in my room and continue what I was doing. And that was taking down my hair from a ponytail and having myself a happy mini head orgasm. I will be back. So it's been about 5 minutes later. You can hear her up there talking and moving around. So I suspect she's going to go ahead and start making her way down the stairs. Still no bird. Give her time. So I just heard her, and look who we have. Hi, bird! Told you. She is determined to get to her mother bird. So maybe all of 15 minutes passed at most. Oh, and then we have Charlie. Let's zoom out a little bit. Hi, Wiggles. So, are you proud of yourself, bird? Are you proud of yourself? I knew I heard her squawking. It was a bit louder. So decided to come out here, and it's kind of like the Pokemon Go game. Except for it's a real bird. Huh, bird? Hi, bird. Hi. So now she has to figure out how to get to me. I'm going to sit on the couch. Hi. So the big scheme of things, that's what it looks like. She made it from all the way upstairs just to see her mother bird. She is very persistent. She was looking at the plant that I killed. I've had that plant for years. Oh, getting a message from Steven. 1 second, blocking my view. I tried to give my plant some sun. Oh, it got sun all right. It was like it was on the sun. Hi, bird. Hi, Wiggles. Where are you going, Becca bird? No! I heard a cracking sound. That's no bueno. Bird! Bird! Ugh. See? Incorrigible. So if I don't come to her, she'll find a way to make me come to her, apparently. And knowing that this is a wooden banister in need of some severe cleaning, I probably should get her off. Come here, bird. I know. Come here. I know, I'm hot stuff. What can I say? Let's go. Come on, bird. Let's go in the room. Want to go in the room? Hi up turn around? Say hi. Hi, bird. How was your day? Can I get a kiss? Hi, Becca. Kisses. No? Kiss. I know. Oh, yeah? Yeah? Oh, okay. I don't know what we're doing here at this camera. Sorry. Hi, bird. Give me a kiss. I love you. Thank you. Hi, bird. Hiya, bird. I love you. Becca, 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 bird. Anyways. Becca, bird. No flight of stairs is going to get in Becca's way. Hi, bird. Hi, bird. Hi, bird. All right. Hi, bird. Hi, bird. Nice. Are you just super... Are you a pretty bird? Are you the prettiest bird ever? Becca, Becca, bird. Becca, 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 bird. I can't zoom out with one hand. Okay, we're going to try this. Nope, I tried my lips. It did not work. One more time. Nope, still not working. All right, well, that's Becca. Coming down to see her mother. I'll give you... Wanna laugh? You wanna laugh? Are you a determined, very persistent bird? Becca, 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 bird. Becca, 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 bird. Bye, bird.